Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite and really easy hairstyles for summer. So these hairstyles don't take a lot of time and they look super cute. Okay, so before starting with the video, I would like to show you guys how I wrap up these bandanas. So you can use any square sized bandana here and you need to fold it over diagonally to create a small little triangle shape. Now you need to grab the edge of the triangle and start folding it all the way towards the top. So folding the bandana in such a way makes it a lot more easier to style and knot them. Whenever I'm using a satin bandana, after folding it, I secure it with a safety pin so that it doesn't slip off. So the first one is the simplest of all and it hardly takes any time. All you need to do is you just need to comb your hair a little bit from the front, and now you need to wrap the bandana around your head and knot it. I like to add a double knot to it to just tighten it up a little bit, and that's it, you're done. Just add some volume and you're ready to go. Alright, for the next hairstyle, I'll start off with taking little sections from the top of my hair and I'm just going to comb them up a little bit. Now I'm just going to section my hair from the side, leaving the loose pieces in the front. Once again, you need to wrap the bandana and create the double knot. That's it, your hairstyle is done. You just need to leave some loose pieces in the front and give the hair a bit more texture. It's really that easy to do it and I find this hairstyle super cute. Alright, next up is the famous bandana bun. All you need to do is grab your hair as high as you want and then you need to leave some loose pieces in the front just to frame your face a little bit. Now you need to make a bun. You can even make a ponytail first and then a bun, but I like to do it this way. It's more messy and kind of gives a lot more texture to my hair. Just to secure my bun, I'm going to use some hair clips and a rubber band. Next up, I'm just going to grab a bandana and I'm going to wrap it around my bun. Just like I did before, I'm going to double knot the bandana. Now I'm just pulling some hair from the front just to make it look a bit more messy, and that's it. We are done with this really cute hairstyle. I think this hairstyle looks perfect for daytime. So this is another way to style a bandana. Instead of wrapping it around the bun, you can wrap it around your hair, and the same way you can double knot it. Alright, moving on, this is my personal favorite and I think it looks really pretty. Okay, so with this hairstyle, you need to start off by making a low ponytail. After making the ponytail, I'm just going to pull some strands as you can see in the video just to give that bounce and volume to my hair. Now you need to grab a bandana and wrap it around your hair tie and knot it to make it look more elegant and stylish. That's it girls, you're done. Just leave some loose flirty pieces in the front and you're good to go. Alright, so next up is again one of my favorite and this is a bandana braid. I'm going in with a simple 3-strand bandana braid and you need to include the bandana in one of the strand and then you need to braid normally as you would. You can go in with a fishtail or any other complicated braid if you wish for. After you're done making the braid, you just need to secure it with a hair tie and I'm just pulling some strands to make it look more thicker and messier. You can even cover your hair tie by just wrapping the bandana around it. And that's it, you're done. Your little side braid hairdo, so easy and so cute. Okay, so for the next hairstyle, you need to make a high ponytail, leaving some loose pieces in the front. So after this, I'm grabbing a satin bandana here and pulling it over my ears and then just making a simple knot. And that's it guys, we're done with this super easy and casual hairstyle. Okay, so next up we need to create a high voluminous ponytail and then place the bandana at the nape of your neck, then bring the bandana over your ears to create that same double knot. Okay guys, so these were some of the super cute and super easy hairstyles and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. See you all in my next video.